Hi students, welcome to my video tutorial series of design analysis of algorithm. Today I am starting new chapter PNP and NP completeness. That is very important chapter for you. And before going to discuss about the NP completeness, I want to first discuss tractability. So whenever you are running some exam algorithm, or you are finding the total number of comparison occur, you will get some polynomial expression. So every the time for a given algorithm, it's called as polynomial time, that is that gives the time as a polynomial expression. So polynomial time p time uh, is order of nk, where n is the input size and k is the constant. So that problem solvable in p time are considered as tractable. Now NP complete problem have no known p time solution considered the intractable. Now next is tractability, and there are some difference between tractability and intractability, and that can be slight, very small little bit difference, and can find the shortest path in graph in order of m plus n log n time, but finding the longest simple path is np complete, and can find the assignment for 2CNF formula in order of n time, but for 3CNF is NP complete. So here is the expression for that, and outline. So now we are discussing about the complexity classes PNP, that is by using formal language framework, NP completeness, that is the hardest problem in NP, and reduction, that is A less than equal to B, NP completeness reduction. Now in formal language framework, alphabet represented, that is the finite set of symbol, and that is represented by sigma, and language L over sigma is any subset of string uh, in uh, in sigma star. So we'll focus on the sigma, that is 0 1. So all combination of it, that is the language will be 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 1. What is the combination? All combination will be the language. So if you find the symbol is by 0 1. Okay. Now decision problem. A decision problem has a yes or no answer, that is true or false value. Okay. Now different but related to optimization problem, but trying to maximize or minimize a value. Any decision problem, q can be viewed as language, that is L is equal to x belongs to 0 1 star, that is the language, that is the all combination, and qx is equal to 1. Q decide every string in the L accepted by Q, and every string not in the L as rejected. Now for example, we are taking path, we are taking G U V K, that is the set, G, that is the graph. It is nothing but a collection of vertex and edge, and it is an undirected, keep in mind that should be undirected, and UV belongs to V, and K is greater than equal to 0, it is an integer, and there is a path, there is just a path from U to V in the G with less than equal to K edges. Okay, encoding of input, that is GUVK, is important. We express running time as function of input size, and corresponding the optimization problem is the shortest path. Now the complexity for it, complexity of P is equal to language, there exists 0 1, and there exists an algorithm A that decide L in the p time and path belongs to p. Okay, thank you for very much for watching this. I think it will be clear. If you have any query, you can ask me.